Welcome to our tutorial on how to trade on the Charles Schwab platform. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. Let's start by creating your Charles Schwab account. First, head to the official website and click on Open an Account. Once your account is set up, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the platform. Let's take a tour of the key features. Funding your account is simple. You can link your bank account and transfer funds easily. Before placing trades, understand the different types, stocks, ETFs, and options, each serving different investment strategies. It's time to place your first trade. Follow along as we navigate the trading interface step by step. To stay informed, set up alerts for price changes and monitor your investments easily with the tracking features. Charles Schwab provides robust research tools to help you make informed decisions. Let's explore these resources. Managing your portfolio effectively is crucial. Regularly monitor performance and be ready to make adjustments. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. Now it's time to start trading and take the first steps towards financial empowerment.